We'll guide you through how to connect Claude AI to VS Code. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening the Google Chrome web browser on your personal computer to begin this helpful installation process. Click on the search bar located at the very top of the browser window to start things off. Type in the phrase VS Code download and press enter to look for the official download page that is listed. From the search results, click on the first official VS Code website to ensure you're getting the software from the right place. Once you're on the landing page, select your specific platform, such as Windows, to get the correct version for your own computer hardware. Wait patiently while the official VS Code installer file downloads completely onto your machine to be used. When it is finally done, open the downloaded exe file to begin the actual software installation process. A setup window will appear where you must click I accept on the agreement page and then hit next to continue. Click next again on the following screen to move forward with all the default settings specifically. Click the install button to officially start putting VS Code onto your computer system to get things going. Give it a moment while the installation runs, as it should not take very long. Once it is finished, click Finish to close the installer and launch VS Code for the very first time. When the application opens, look at the sidebar and click on the extensions icon. Click on the search bar that appears at the top of the panel to find tools. Type Claude into the search box to find the right extension for your needs. From the results, click on Claude Code to open its dedicated page properly. Click the Install button to add the Claude Code extension to your VS Code environment successfully. A prompt may appear asking about your workspace, so click Trust Workspace and Install to continue safely. If a Windows Defender firewall notification pops up, click Allow Access so the extension works properly. On the Get Started page, click Mark Done to finish the setup. Finally, click on the Claude Code extension in your sidebar to check if it is activated and ready. Claude is now connected, and you are ready.